guys, we're going horseback riding today. Let's get ready. Horseback riding. I gotta go. Harper, you can't come with me. No, you can't. You can't come with me. She's so cute. I'm so glad my parents got her.
Say hello to Bailey. Say hello.
Good boy.
Good dog.
You're so cute. I can't even see all your little spots.
Sit. Sit. It's okay. I know you're just a cutie.
Guys, this was my pony growing up. My Grammy still has him. I'll insert a picture of me and him from when I was young. Say hi, Flick. So much sand from the flood that we had a month or so ago. All of this was underwater. Debris.
There's actually three.
These are Indian drawings.
Snakes, and then all along there's red.
Oh, there is a snake.
Yeah, you see, and it's got very good detail to it. Yeah. And then there's different red, and then when you get up to here, there's like a man standing. And if you look up anything about the Osage Indians, and that supposedly was the tribe that was most.
Huh.
That they were Mohawks, and you can see his Mohawk on him.
Wow.
Up here. It's pretty cool. Right there.
All the red is Indian markings. Yeah.
Some little insignia thing in his hand, like a little stick beaker. Because it has little
Something,
eyes and
yeah.
everything. I wonder what that means.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
Yep. Is there? Hi, beautifuls. Hey. Look how beautiful.
Guess you must be touching it out.
chickens like the pets.